Joseph says, I'm having a meeting with my PM to discuss and increase any tips. The only new added responsibilities is being an ISO of a few systems. The way I figure it, Joseph, is if they put you in this position, they really need somebody in the ISO position. Going with the mindset that it's not going to kill you to ask. The worst thing that they can say is no, but keep this in mind, Joseph. They say no, and in 6 months' time, when you've got some solid risk management framework under your belt, if you choose to, you can put your resume out there, and I guarantee you it's going to be a whole different story because somebody else is going to offer you more money. If this organization has the brains to say, you know what, we just gave Joseph this other hat, we better give him a little bit more money because he might leave, right? And we know ISO's tough work. My advice to you is, number one, do it. Ask. Number two, some of the things that you can say is that, and this is true, you could say, you know, boss, like this job that you guys put me in, thank you for the opportunity. I really appreciate it. But it's a lot more stressful than what I was doing before. And as you know, I'm dual-hatted. I'm doing this. I'm working with the system security implementation, but I'm also doing the actual risk management compliance, which includes things like working with doing way more meetings. Essentially, my workload has doubled or tripled or whatever the case may be. That's why I feel like I should get a raise for this. You know, if you guys don't want to, I understand. You got to understand this is a lot more stressful on me. It wasn't what I originally signed up for, but I'd be happy to continue this work if you guys were to give me a little something to think about. That's kind of the wording you could say, something like that. Just to tell them, like, number one, my workload has increased. This is a way more stressful job than what I was doing before. That right there should be enough. If they don't do it, Joseph, you have many other alternatives, because in a few months' time, when you're able to put that stuff on your resume, you put that stuff on Indeed, on LinkedIn, you're gonna get offers for more money. It will behoove them to take care of you now so that when you get offered more money, you won't leave, because you'll be like, yeah, that's a little bit more money, but these guys try to take care of me. As opposed to saying, they gave me double the work, paying me the same amount, and now these guys are offering me X% more. I'm leaving. So yeah, do it. Number one, bring up that they doubled your workload and it's more stressful to do information system security officer work. It is, because it is. It's more stressful, Joseph. If you just started this, it's more stressful because you get used to the stress, the level, but you deserve a raise for this, for sure.